This rusty fan is about to fall on my $3,000 compressor. I haven't swapped one out before, but you can do it yourself. Let me show you how. Just remember, before doing any electrical on these units, take the breaker out. So this fan unit, the nuts are rusting off. One's broken, one's just rusted here. So it's only dangling by 2. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this off and replace the fan motor down below. And I have a new one in a box that my assistant will get for me. So this will be the new fan motor, and this has solid bolts up here that are not rusted. That was about $130. If you call an HVAC guy to come out and do it, you're gonna run you probably $500-600. Okay, so it should just come right out. So actually, I just replaced the capacitor on this unit as well, and it looks like one of these wires actually goes straight to the capacitor, which you can see on one of my other videos I just did previously. So let's get this taken care of. I'm gonna take the blade off. Go. Loosen that guy up, and the fan blade should just pop right off. Let's save that. This thing has been a mixture of metric and standard. Is it coming off? Or is it just spinning?
I think it's just spinning.
I broke it off.
Oh shit. Oh well, that's one way to do it.
Okay, one more. Yep, and that one broke off too.
Well, good thing you broke them before they broke themselves.
Yeah, because that would have been really bad. All right, there's our motor. So the fan is hardwired. So you can't take the connection off of here, so you got to follow it down. I got to go back into that side panel because it's coming back through the access hole there. So I'll be opening up the side panel again to access those wires. So now I'm going to try to match these wires up and follow them through. So yellow, brown, and black, they should be coming in through this access hole. So here's my 3 fan wires. The brown is going to the capacitor, and this is where we take pictures so I know what's where. So brown goes to the capacitor, yellow goes down there, and then the black one is there. Yellow, black, and the brown are already disconnected from the capacitor. So they were just, they pulled off the little tab, so I didn't have to unscrew anything, you just pop them off. But always take a picture as to where they were so you know exactly where they went.
We're gonna use this on the new motor.
Beautiful.
All right, you hold it, I can get it through there. So I'm gonna pass it through there and I'll pull them down through there, and if you could grab them one at a time. The yellow one.
Yep, okay. That takes care of those guys. So we're gonna leave these hanging here for now. The next step is I'm gonna get this fan put back together, get the blade on, reattach it, and then we'll finish the wiring out. So I went to the hardware store ahead of time and I bought lock nut washers and lock bolts so they don't come off, and I already pre-sized these. So we're gonna put this back onto the grate. If I drop one down in there, it's not gonna be easy to get out.
That's why I told you to get 5.
Just gonna tighten it down, but I'm not going to over tighten them. You don't wanna break the bolt part. The old one had these on there. I'm just gonna put them back there. They won't hurt anything. Now we're going to put the fan blade back on. So all you have to do is line up the bolt with the flat part, and the bolt goes into the flat part of the rod. All right, so we got the fan hooked back up. I'm gonna push the conduit over the fan nipple here, and then this goes into the hole. Yep, here we go. So now we just line up all the holes. Conduit looks good, and now I'm gonna bolt this back in place with the 4 bolts. Beautiful. So that is back in place. Now we just gotta wire up the side. So this is where I used the photo I took earlier of the wiring, so I know, hey, the brown goes to the capacitor, black where that goes and where the yellow goes. Go pull these through. Brown goes on the capacitor, black goes up on this guy, and the yellow goes down here. And now we're all wired back up. Before I put the cover on, I'm actually going to pop the breaker back in and see if this all comes on. Beautiful.